What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about EPROLO dropshipping tool. We're going to go over everything that we need to know about pricing, shipping, refund policies. We're going to compare prices between them and Aliexpress. So if you were looking for a dropshipping agent, or were wondering if CJ is better or udroppy is better or EPROLO is better, that is the video for you. Just before we dive in straight to my computer, just keep in mind that basically the most important thing that we are looking for is, of course, cheaper pricing, faster shipping, better refund policy, and better customer service. If you're going to focus on those things and you will have them, your customers are going to be happy and your business is going to keep growing. So without further ado, let's dive straight to my computer. All right, so the first thing that I want to go over with you is this page that they have over here in the blog, which I wanted to go over with you. Is basically they kind of explain you why should you use them and not Aliexpress. All right, so basically over here they kind of explaining you that on Aliexpress you have a lot of sellers, there's a lot of competition, and it's a little bit hard to find a reliable seller. And the main three disadvantages of Aliexpress is when you, let's say you have two products that you sell, your main product and your upsell, then it's going to deliver it from two different sellers. The second thing is that Aliexpress charges 8% fee from their sellers. And the last thing, that there is no control of the product quality. So over here they're saying why should you use them is, first, you're dealing with one supplier instead of having multiple sellers. All packages ships from their warehouse, they do quality control and they ship it fast. Now here is the interesting thing, that they're saying that they are using the manufacturer's supply and there is no fees, free sourcing, and professional team support. So basically the no fees is very interesting for me, because we will go over to the next page and you will understand why it's a little bit interesting for me, because it's like they're saying that they're not making any profit, which is, I think, is ridiculous. And the last thing is enables your business to offer outstanding service. So of course, if you're going to have fast shipping, good prices, your customers are going to be happy. All right, next page that I want to go over with you is the plans, the pricing. So if you don't know, EPROLO is like 100% free. As I said, we're going to talk about exactly how they are making their money. They actually have a blog post that say how they're making their money. So over here you have like different levels, that if you generate between 0 to 3,000, you get these options, which is EPROLO Express shipping, order fulfillment, and print on demand. And if you get to the point that you sell above $20,000 in sales, you can get also customized tape and customized scotch tape, which I think is the same thing. Oh, sorry. So here it's between 10,000 to 20,000, and if you sell above 20,000 a month, so you can get those things, and on top of that you can get customized box, which is nice, but you need to sell 20,000, meaning that you need to buy a lot from, I think you need to buy 20,000 from EPROLO. So I mean, if their prices are higher, so you're basically going to pay your own custom packaging. All right, here is the fun part. This is the page that I wanted to get to. So like, why EPROLO app is free and how does EPROLO makes profit? That is very interesting. So over here they're basically saying that they were just an Aliexpress sellers, and then they start getting like orders from Shopify store owners, and they decided that it's going to be much better, also cheaper for the Shopify sellers to work with them through this platform. So as you can see, they explain you Aliexpress takes between 5 to 10% cut of the sale price, Amazon takes between 8 to 20, and EPROLO's, ta-da, no fees. So before we start like doing the comparison and everything of the products, it means that if they are selling a product that is available on Aliexpress, here it has to be cheaper, right? They're not charging any kind of fees. So over here basically what they explain is the more they buy, the cheaper price they get for the product, and the same thing applies for shipping costs. So the more packages they ship, the lower rate they're getting from the shipping couriers. Over here they explain all of that, and the funny thing over here that they say all these benefits will go to EPROLO's pocket, which kind of, you know, it makes sense because they need to make money, and they are saying no. It means that basically they're saying that every dollar that they can save for shipping or for product cost, they invested back to the business to give us lower rates, and they basically are not making any money. So EPROLO, by what they are saying, this is a charity company, they don't make any profit from the product, they give you the best prices, the best shipping time, and they don't keep anything in their pocket. All right, let's go over over the shipping. This is the most important thing. So they saying they have EPROLO US Express shipping. I'm not sure exactly what it is. They saying that they use USPS. We're going to go over a little bit about their policy over here. A little bit confusing, looks a little bit shady. They say that you can get shipping to the United States. It's like 1 to 2 days processing to get to the United States from China, and then 3 to 5 days inside China to get to your customer, which does not make sense. All right, let's read some of the advantages. They're saying that shortened delivery time for upgraded shopping experience, that their shipping is super stable even during Christmas and Black Friday, which I don't really believe that. And over here they're saying that the tracking information is going to show up after they ship your product from United States. So it means that they're saying that they're shipping with USPS, which does not really make sense because USPS is not a shipping option within China. So they need to use something within China to ship out the product to United States, and only when it's in United States then USPS is going to take the product, going to have a USPS tracking number, and then they're going to deliver the product to your end customer. So the funny thing that over here they're saying that there's not going to be any tracking information until your package is not actually in the United States. So I don't get it. They saying over here, at least by the picture, it says that EPROLO Express is going to get within 1 to 2 days to United States. I don't know what they are using, but I never heard any kind of, like, not even USPS, DHL, that can give you shipping from China to United States within 1 to 2 days. That is absolutely crazy, and especially for the rates that they are charging you for having this express shipping. Let's keep going. Shipping location, they saying that all the products are shipping from China. It means that again it needs to get to the United States, only then you get in track information from USPS. Looks like a total mess. Shipping method over here, they have also e-packet, CA Express, US Express, UK Express. So US Express is going to be delivered by USPS, and it's going to be additional of $3 to $8, which looks like a fair price. Now let's go over the delivery time, which is the most important thing. US Express 5 to 8 days, CA Express 7 to 9, Australia 7 to 9, and UK 6 to 10. E-packet and postal delivery, I'm not sure exactly what it is. Maybe it's China Post, so it's kind of the same as Aliexpress. But this is the interesting part. You know, if they can actually fulfill that fast to United States with shipping from China to the States to your customer within 5 to 8 days, which, you know, it sounds like, you know, the Silk Road dropshipping tool, which today they call themselves Zendrop, which got a lot of bad comments that they were kind of guaranteeing 5 to 7 days shipping to the United States, which never happened, and it's just too good to be true. I mean, 5 to 8 days shipping time, you're talking about like DHL Express, UPS, and those companies charge like huge amount of money to get the products delivered so fast. But you know, EPROLO can offer you that for like additional $3 to $8. All right, so the most important thing is we want to make sure that everything that they promise over here backed up with a refund policy. So as I always say in my other videos, if they can't back it up with a solid money back guarantee, they can write whatever they want in the site, but bottom line, if your products are not going to get delivered within this time, which I don't really believe that it will, you are basically going to be screwed. All right, this is their refund policy. So I read all of it, and basically over here they are talking about the damaged products, the products getting damaged in the way to the customer. There was not even one mention over here that they are talking about if the product is not going to be delivered within the time they state on the website. I mean, you know, like, I'm really sick and tired from all those companies that pop out saying they have the best prices, fastest shipping, the best customer service, and at the end of the day all of them are even worse than Aliexpress. So anyways, over here they don't say anything about if the package is not going to be delivered within the time that they guarantee you, which looks really shady to me. I actually reached out to their customer team. I still didn't get a reply. I want to know exactly what is their refund policy. After I'll get a reply from them, I will comment that in a comment section below in this video. But overall, you know, first of all, their refund policy looks really short, and if they don't say anything about it, it's probably not going to be good. All right, so now it's time to compare pricing between EPROLO to Aliexpress. So the first product that we have, it's one of the most popular products, is the posture corrector. So over here in EPROLO, they sell this product. The price of the product itself is $2.92. Let's click on the shipping methods over here. So US Express shipping, which they said it's 5 to 8 days, now it's 8 to 15 days. Again, I'm telling you, something is a little bit shady over here. So total you're going to pay $11.37. If you're going to use e-packet, it's going to be $9.02. So let's go over to Aliexpress. The same exact product, has a lot of orders, decent review. This product shipping from China with e-packet, you can get it for around $6.33. So it's already cheaper, and Aliexpress standard shipping is going to be $7.15. Now, you know what? Let's say that their shipping time is better than Aliexpress standard shipping. Take a look over here. You have United States shipping for $4 for the product and $3.68 shipping from the United States, and you have 7 days money back guarantee. 7 days, and they're actually sending the product with USPS, so they actually have stock in the United States and not shipping from China to United States within 1 to 2 days, which does not make sense, and then deliver that to the customer. And even that small little thing that they promise you 5 to 8 days in that page, and now over here it says 8 to 15 days, probably not including processing time. So it's kind of the same thing as like using a dropshipping agent. All right, we still don't give up. Let's go to the next product. So the next product is another popular product, the neck massager. Over here on EPROLO it costs, let's click on the shipping with CNE. CNE is another shipping company, which lately I got to know it because I use it right now. With the product cost and the shipping cost, this is going to cost $13.43, e-packet $14.78, and for some reason they have CNE twice, and here it's 10 to 20 days and over here it's 12 to 30 days. Again, I don't know. All right, let's go to Aliexpress. Over here, tons of orders, a lot of great reviews, 4.7 stars reviews. Let's hit that. You can get this product with Aliexpress standard shipping. I think it's even faster than CNE for free. And that brings the cost of your product to $9.53. So, you know, I'm a little bit confused. I don't know exactly, you know, how they calculate that. How they said that they are like charity company, so they shouldn't be more expensive than Aliexpress, because Aliexpress, they said that Aliexpress charges fee from their sellers, and they are not. They have no fee. They really made clear that they are not making any money whatsoever selling products to you. All right, so I don't know, it's a little bit shady so far. All right, going on to the next product. This product, you already know this product. I did the challenge with this product. That is really hot seller. So over here in EPROLO, let's click on that. They selling it with their US Express shipping, 8 to 15, 5 to 8 days, I don't know, $13.38. With e-packet is going to be $11.32, and the cheapest one is going to be this one, $10.33 with 4px, 8 to 18 days. I'm not sure that's actually possible because 4px is quite slow, but anyways, let's go back to Aliexpress. So I found this seller over here that ships it for $5.99 for the product, and over here we'll click on that and select Aliexpress standard shipping. So it brings us to around $7.74, almost $8. Now I know that the review over here is not the best. It got 747 orders but only 8 reviews, so I would not judge by that. And the actual seller over here is quite good. Seems that he's shipping within the time frame, but let's say that we don't want to use this seller. He's also quite new. Let's go to another listing over here. You can see that this is more reliable one. Let's click on that and click on here and select Aliexpress standard shipping, which is free, and it's still $9.99, which is cheaper than EPROLO. So I mean, their main thing of like they don't charge fees, excuse me, but I don't think it's true. Let's not lose hope yet. Last product that we're going to check is this back scrubber. I saw it like in the last 6 months popping out left and right. That is definitely a good product that people made money of. So let's check over here. So we have with the US Express shipping, it's $10.72, and the cheapest one is going to be with 4px, $7.67. If we'll have a look on Aliexpress over here, this listing got a lot of orders, good reviews, decent seller. Let's click on one of the variations. So with Aliexpress standard shipping is going to be $5.59. So that is already cheaper and probably even faster, because I don't believe that they invented a shipping company just for drop shippers, and I do believe that Aliexpress standard shipping and their shipping times are going to be the same. So that one is actually faster. And another listing that I want to show you over here, that this listing actually sells and ships from the United States. So as you can see, it costs you $2.74 for the product and $6.45 for shipping, and you have 18 days money back guarantee. So even if you're going to use this supplier that ships straight from the United States, which the shipping is probably going to be much faster compared to EPROLO US Express shipping, which they ship from China, it's still going to be cheaper. So I mean, you know, I'm feeling bad about those companies because it really seems that they think that we are stupid, and they always try to promise you that they have faster shipping times, lower rates. Nothing of that is actually true. If you go back to my last video about CJ Dropshipping, which they offer like this crazy fast shipping and other like YouTubers promote them, and in that video I show you that their prices are not cheaper and their CJ packet shipping method is probably not faster than Aliexpress standard shipping. You need to understand that all of the companies that are shipping from China have the same options, the same delivery couriers as everybody else. So they're trying to lure you in with telling you that, oh, we have faster shipping, we have better pricing, which is not true, or we have custom packaging, which with the markup that you are paying for the products using their services, you're probably paying for your own custom packaging. All right guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. Now I don't want to spread hate about those companies, but at the end of the day I care about you guys. I'm looking for the same thing that you are looking for: faster shipping, better pricing, good customer service, and of course a guarantee, a refund policy, solid refund policy that we can rely on in case that the shipping times are not exactly what they're saying on the site or something goes wrong with the order. The reason why I'm reviewing these companies is because I have students that are using those companies and they are suffering from slow shipping times, higher rates, low flexibility. It's better to work straight with an agent than having a company which is going to make money off you, and this way you work and talk straight with the source. You need to understand that every hand or every person that handles your order or product is going just to be like a broken phone. And having an agent that you speak straight with the agent and he can actually provide you the lower rate and the fastest shipping time, which to be honest, like, I'm not promoting Alex or something like that, but I've checked everywhere that I can having the fastest shipping and the better prices, and Alex was the only one that actually gave me like a good deal, and the shipping times are solid and it's backed with a money back guarantee. So I mean, so far in my opinion, the best way to actually ship from China is to have a solid agent that backs you up, that is going to give you the cheapest price and the fastest shipping times. All right guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, you took some value out of it, don't forget to smash the like button, and of course if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to join the family and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time my friends, peace.